Are you looking for the best credit card out there? Well, what makes a card the best? That's different for everybody. I'm Nick from Team Clark. I've written a ton of credit card reviews, and today I want to share what you should be looking for to find the best credit card for you. We'll look at several types of cards that are good for different parts of your life. But in order to know which type of card is best for you, it's important to understand your financial goals. The first step is to evaluate your financial situation and how you spend your money. Keep careful track of where you're spending your money and what you're buying. The point of tracking is to show you what type of credit card will be the best fit for your spending habits and goals. So you have to ask yourself, what goals are you trying to achieve by getting a new credit card? Do you want to build credit, have a safety net, or earn cash and rewards? If you spend with a debit card, the easiest way to see how you spend your money is to check the last 3 months of your banking statements. You can also use a program like Mint to see your key spending categories, or use a budget sheet like the one that we have on Clark.com. If you already have a credit card and are looking for a new one, tracking your spending can be even easier. If your credit card issuer has an app, often the spending category will show up next to your purchase. Many also give you free access to spending pie charts to help you see where your money is going. When you're analyzing your spending, note that not all card issuers are the same in the way that they classify what you bought. For example, if you buy groceries at Walmart, it may not be listed under grocery purchases, but as a warehouse or superstore purchase instead. The biggest rules to remember are spend less than what you make and pay your bill in full every month. If you can do that, then a credit card is a viable option for you. Now let's talk about different types of cards. There are secured cards, low interest cards, cashback cards, and reward cards that offer perks for different types of purchases. Let's talk about secured credit cards first. If you're trying to build credit, a secured card may be the right choice. Secured cards work a little differently than standard credit cards. You'll be required to make a cash deposit as a sign of credit worthiness, and the credit limit on secured cards is usually tied to this deposit. For example, if you deposit $500, the credit limit is $500. You're basically borrowing your own money to prove that you're reliable and can make payments on time. But you'll be able to spend with a secured card like you would with a traditional credit card. Keep in mind that a secured card is a stepping stone to a credit card and can teach you to treat credit like it's your own small amount of cash. Another type of card that you'll want to consider is one with an ultra low interest rate. These cards usually don't have flashy rewards, but if you have to carry a balance because of an emergency, this is the type of card you'll want in your wallet. If even a minor unexpected expense can upset your finances, save money to build an emergency fund over time. That way, you won't have to rely on a credit card to keep you afloat. Money expert Clark Howard recommends checking with your local credit union, since many of them offer some of the lowest interest rate cards out there. Now let's talk about cashback cards. These are a Team Clark favorite because you get rewarded no matter what you spend your money on. We've recommended the Citi Double Cash for years because it gives you unlimited 2% cash back on all transactions, 1% cash back when you make a purchase, and then 1% cash back when you pay your bill. There are some other cards that we highly recommend, like the Fidelity Rewards 2% cashback, the PayPal Cashback MasterCard, and the Navy Federal Cash Rewards card. Then there are rotating category rewards cards. They give you more cash back or points on specific categories during different parts of the year. Each rotating category has a schedule that tells customers when they earn the most. Generally, the top category will earn 5%, and all other categories will earn 1%. Usually, it's best to use these cards in conjunction with other cards so that you're earning more than the minimum cash back. This is a more advanced way of earning rewards, but it can be beneficial if you can keep track of those spending categories. Now for the cards that usually draw people in, rewards cards. These could be for travel, gas, groceries, a certain store, or dining and entertainment. For groceries, we like the American Express Blue Cash Preferred card because it offers 6% cash back in that category. The Capital One Saver card is good for cash back on dining and entertainment. Check out our reviews for other popular cards like the Costco Anywhere Visa, the Sam's Club MasterCard, the Target Red card, and the Chase Sapphire cards linked in the description below. People love reward cards because they like the idea of what the card represents. This can be especially true of travel cards, where you can accrue points and you can use them to pay for flights or hotel stays. But you really need to track your spending to see if you're spending enough money in that category for a specific rewards card to be worth it for you. 2 quick warnings. First, If you carry a balance on any card, you'll have to pay interest. You don't want to give credit card companies free money that you worked hard to earn. So track your charges to keep from spending more than you can afford to pay back in a single month. Second, don't get fleeced by welcome bonuses and special introductory offers. Sometimes they are worth it, but make sure you understand the terms before applying for any card. You can make a bad long-term decision for a short-term gain. When you have a credit card, you have more responsibility to handle. So bottom line, don't spend money you don't have if you can avoid it. To learn more about managing your credit, read Clark's credit card rules that we have linked in the description. I hope you found this video helpful and that you choose a card that really fits your financial life. Subscribe to our channel and watch some of our other videos to learn how to manage your credit wisely. Plus, you can always read more about your money at clark.com.